Customizing your AutoCAD interface and have an MNU menu file? This is a legacy menu definition file from AutoCAD. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these AutoCAD menu files for interface customization. Here's a professional insight. For those MNU files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A user encounters a MNU file when customizing the user interface of Autodesk AutoCAD. Their intent is to load, edit, or create custom menus, toolbars, and command shortcuts to streamline their drafting workflow. This file defines the structure and commands accessible through the classic AutoCAD UI. The MNU file is a plain text file using a specific syntax that AutoCAD's engine can parse. This text-based design was chosen to allow power users and CID administrators to easily create and modify UI elements with a simple text editor, facilitating deep customization and sharing of personalized environments. The core association for the MNU file points directly to Autodesk AutoCAD developed by Autodesk Inc. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may show formatting clearly, but proper edits depend on understanding the setting relationships. Open the menu by right-clicking your MNU file and choosing Open With. Try Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the MNU file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this MNU error to appear? First, loading in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, use the menu load command at the command prompt to load MNU files. Browse to the MNU file location and load it into AutoCAD. The custom menu items appear in the interface ready for use. Save the workspace configuration to preserve menu customizations across sessions. Next, migrating to CUI Format. Modern AutoCAD versions use CUI Customized User Interface Format instead of MNU. Use AutoCAD's CUI editor to import legacy MNU files, converting them to the current format. Access through Manage tab Customization panel, User Interface command, then load and migrate the MNU content. Finally, editing menu definitions. Open MNU files in any text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to manually edit menu definitions. Follow AutoCAD documentation for proper menu syntax, including command associations and macro definitions. Test changes by reloading the menu in AutoCAD, verifying functionality before deploying to other users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.